Hi folks, David from American Chevrolet, Modesto, California here, and today we are going to do a quick walkthrough of the 2018 Chevrolet Silverado. Now, if you're familiar with the Silverado, you know there are a lot of ways to build this vehicle. The one that we're going to look at today is a two-wheel drive LT crew cab. Like I said though, you've got double cabs, single cabs, and this is also a 1500, just to be clear, because you can go all the way up to 3500 and more if you're a big dog. The Silverado has just celebrated its 100-year anniversary. 100 years, folks. They've said it's like a rock. This thing's like a good horse. It's a thoroughbred in the game. It's got good bloodlines. This vehicle can do basically anything you want it to do, minus swim. So as standard on a lot of our vehicles, we have this touchscreen display where you can access your Wi-Fi, your phone, your music. You got a driver information center. You've also got, when you have it on the vehicle, electric switching to four-wheel drive. This vehicle also has heated seats to keep you warm when it's cold. So interior is spacious, it's strong. You've got places everywhere to put your stuff if you're a working person, if you're on the road a lot, whatever it may be. Apple CarPlay, Android connectivity. It's basically got everything that you could want. So why don't we get to the meat of the big dog. So, woo! This bad boy right here has got a 5.3 liter V8, 355 horsepower, 383 pound-feet of torque. But this is kind of the middle of the road, but it's the standard. This one has been in the Chevrolet Silverado for many, many years, and you know that you're getting a tried and true engine with this. This beast goes up to 12,500 pounds of towing capacity, best in its class. Meaning, even if you're not competing, you're winning. Trucks these days are not just big tough guy working things. They're for the family. The Silverado's got all sorts of options. You got storage underneath for your skis, for your kids' books, whatever. And you've got space. As your family grows, it accommodates the space for them. It's a great truck, and as I said, it's tried, true, tested, and blue. These rear gates lock when you lock the car. Unlocks when you unlock it. Remote, and whoa! Hands-free, bringing it down nice and slow. I mean, you're not gonna get your fingers, you're not gonna chip your stuff. It's very difficult to do that. And last, but certainly not least, it's easy to hop in here with the side step on the rear. 2018 Chevrolet Silverado is one of a kind, and it is a dime. Why don't you come down to American Chevrolet for a test drive today?